Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone 16 Pro Max lineup, and while it's set to release this Friday, September 20th, someone already got their hands on the iPhone 16 Pro Max early. Yes, you heard that right. Thankfully, they filmed the unboxing, and we're getting the first ever hands-on look at this brand new device ahead of its release. Let's dive in. Here it is, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Sleek, stunning, and crafted to perfection. Right out of the box, Apple's signature minimalist design shines through. Inside, you'll find the phone, a USB-C cable, and of course, a bit of paperwork. That's it. No charger, no extras. You'll have to buy those separately. But hey, Apple claims it's all in the name of saving the planet. Now let's talk about that new camera setup. They've introduced something truly special with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The new camera control button is an absolute game changer. This isn't just a regular shutter button, oh no, it's got multiple sensors baked in, offering a whole new level of precision. Tap, hold, and unleash an entirely revamped camera experience. It feels like Apple took a page out of Sony's playbook and then leveled it up. The video may be short, but it's packed with details. The design is sleek, the camera controls are versatile, and it looks like Apple is raising the bar once again with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, what do you think? Is this the iPhone you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this sneak peek, don't forget to subscribe to T4Tech Official for more exciting updates. Peace out!